In this video, I'm going to show you how to make videos using ChatGPT. I'm going to take you step by step from the first process to the last process, starting with ChatGPT, and we're going to take you through creating the video with another software program called Pictory. So to get started here, we're going to start with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an amazing tool. It allows you to do a lot of writing tasks with it. It's a virtual assistant. It's really, really cool. If you haven't signed up for it, get the link down below in the description and sign up for it. You're really missing out if you're not using it. So I've already got a topic for a video. Right now I'm going to do a YouTube short. You could do this for any type of YouTube video, whether it be a short video or a longer type of video. It doesn't matter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and tell it this. Okay, so I'm going to tell it to write a 30-second YouTube Shorts video script on what are soulmates. And I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. And this is what it's going to come up with. And it's actually going to come up with an actual script of what we're going to say. And it starts out by saying, "Hi and welcome to our channel. We're going to talk about soulmates." And it tells what a soulmate is. And it's should keep it down to a minimum so that we can get it into a 30. I tell it 30 seconds because sometimes it's a little longer than 30 seconds once I add the voiceover to it. So this is what it gives me. It gives me an informational thing. A soulmate is a person with whom you have a deep and natural connection. Some people believe that soulmates, blah, 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 blah. So this is perfect. A perfect YouTube short right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and I'm going to go over to Pictory. If you don't know what Pictory is an amazing tool that allows you to create videos on the fly. You don't have to be a video creator to do this. It really is step by step. If you've been in the video creation process a couple of years ago, if you know anything about video creation and you was there a couple of years ago, you've heard of a company, most likely a company called Vidnami you've heard of. And Vidnami was bought out by GoDaddy. GoDaddy decided to take it down for some reason or another, I don't know. But Pictory, I found, is the best alternative to Vidnami. And you're going to see that this works really, really well. And it really gets good engagement as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click on script to video. There's other options that you could do here. So go ahead down below in the description and click on the link below for Pictory, or go to buypictory.com. That you do get a free trial with this. And if you do decide to get it, I do have a coupon code down there for you where you can get 20% off using my code. So we're going to go ahead and go to script to video. And really all this is just a copy and paste. So we're just going to paste in what we have. And before I do this, I'm going to put what is a soulmate. I like to have the title first before anything. That way when I upload shorts, that's the very first thing that people hear is, what is a soulmate? They know what the video is about. Same thing because I upload everything to TikTok as well. I'll upload to TikTok and I'll upload to YouTube Shorts as well. So these are amazing YouTube Shorts. I'm telling you, they are. Okay, so the video name would be, this is just for your reference, the video name up here at the top. It would be, and I typed this in wrong, what are soulmates? Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to separate these by lines. So every sentence, I'm going to do a new line break on each sentence. That way, I'll have a new slide after each sentence. So that looks like it's going to be a good video. So we're going to go to scene settings, and I don't like to highlight the keywords in here because it really doesn't do a really good job at highlighting the keywords. And based on the keywords, it'll bring up video. It'll bring up video slides based on your keywords that it selects. But I don't like it to do that, so I turn it off. Visual selection I leave on. Most of the time I have to change the video selection, but sometimes it does create decent ones. But don't just create the video and be done with it. You go through, actually do a little bit of work, and you'll really see how painless this is to do. Create new scenes on both a sentence and paragraph. So I'll keep it at that and then click proceed. Now we're going to do our templates. This is what our video is going to look like. So you'll see that while the pictures change in the background, that's going to be actually your video. It's going to be your pictures. But the template here shows what type of background is behind the text and what type of text that it's using. So you kind of can look around and see. It'll show the position of the text as well. So this one is at the top. This one's at the bottom. This one's at the bottom. So I like to do this corporate one. This is the one I like to do mostly. So I'll click select. And since I'm doing a short, I'm going to select the 9:16 vertical. You can do 16:9 with this, which is great for YouTube videos, or, you know, you can do Rumble, Vimeo with those. Aspect ratio of 9:16 is, you have to do that if you do YouTube Shorts and TikTok. And the 1:1 is good for Instagram. So you can also do the 9:16 with Facebook Reels as well. So we'll go ahead and click continue. Now it's going to go ahead and it's going to generate the slides. It's going to read the content of what we put in there, and then it's going to search search media. This is going to search media from stock images. So we will be allowed to use these images, and it won't give us any type of copyright strike or anything like that, because these are stock media that it's going to search from. We can also later on And then I like the English, Australian. We'll go to AI voice here, and then Addison female. And then there are also pro voices, but I don't have those. You don't really need the pro stuff. Pro stuff does sound better, though. It does, but you don't need it if you do decide to go to this route. But without any extra cost, you can, by all means, use the ones inside Pictory. But I just like these better, in particular this one. So let's generate the voiceover. Okay. I'm hoping that you can hear this. I'm going to turn my volume up on my computer, so hopefully you can hear it.
What are soulmates? A soulmate is a person with whom you have a deep and natural connection.
Okay, so that's what it sounds like. So I'm going to go ahead and click the download button. I don't want to add background music. So here's my file, and I'm going to go back to Pictory, and I'm going to go to my uploads, and I'm just going to drag that up, and it's going to upload my file, and it wants me to tell it how to sync it. Do I want to sync this file to the current scene only, or do I want to sync this file to the entire video? So I'm going to sync it to the entire video. Now, before I click that, I do want to show you real quick that it does say estimated duration. This is based on the text that I put in to the software, and it is based on the current timing of each slide. Now, once I do this, click on the entire video, and it syncs itself, this file is only 33 seconds. So this is going to change. It's going to resync everything again based on the audio file that I put in. It's going to sync each slide, and the total video length is going to be about 34 seconds. So I'm going to click on entire video, and now it's going to go ahead and it's got to auto sync the voiceover. It's going to take, this is really, really neat because it takes the voiceover that I just put in.
What are soulmates? A soulmate.
And it's synced the text with the video. And it's giving you a preview here.
With whom you have a deep and natural connection. Some people believe that soulmates are meant to be together and are destined to find each other. Others see soulmates.
And that's kind of what it looks like. So I'm not going to play the whole thing right now. So we're going to go ahead and exit out of this. And now that we've got the video done, we've got the audio done, we're ready to generate the video. You can do styles if you want. You can do text if you want. Additional text. I don't do any of this stuff. I play around with it because I don't do any of this stuff here. To me, it's not necessary for me to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and hover over generate. And you can see you can generate the video. This will generate your video in an MP4 format. You can generate a spreadsheet of video posts and social video posts for Hootsuite. So I'm going to go ahead and generate the video. And this is all you have to do. Now, I'm not going to hang around with you for the video to generate. It does take a couple minutes. It takes 5 to 10 minutes for this to complete. But once it completes, it's going to take this into an MP4 format, and it's going to take it and it's going to give you options to download. And download, you can get a link to it if you want to share the link to it with other people. So what I do is just hit download, and then you can upload your video anywhere you want. You can share it anywhere you want, and that's all you have to do. Before we go, I do want to show you real quick here. Let me get into it. I want to show you that these videos, this is a new channel that I'm making with these Pictory videos with Chat-GPT. I'm using Chat-GPT and videos to make this TikTok channel. And it's getting traction just by using these videos. So let me go ahead and take you over. This is TikTok, my TikTok channel. It's called Spiritual Afterlife. And these are the videos that I have here. So these are the views that each video is getting. As you can see, each video is being made with just the way I showed you. Doesn't take me once you get in the hang of it, it doesn't take me any more than 10 minutes to do each video. And I have, as a channel, this channel is only a few days old, by the way. It's not even a week old yet. And it's got 47 followers, 153 likes, and a 7% engagement rate. So this is just a test channel just to see how well people engage with these. And to me, it looks like, out of 8 out of 8 videos, I'm about to put the next one on that we just made. It's got 47 followers and 153 likes. So pretty decent. And this one I just put on not too long ago, and TikTok hasn't given me any views for it yet, even though it should give me some views. So hopefully the more videos I put on, the more views TikTok is going to give me, especially once I get more followers. So I want to thank you for watching this all the way until the end. And remember, ChatGPT, if you don't have it already, sign up. Go ahead and at least try out Pictory, see if it's for you. Go to buypictory.com. And if you do decide to get it, there is a coupon code down in the description for you as well. Also, Speechelo, look it over, see if that's something you might want. That's completely optional. You don't have to get that for creating these videos. If you want quality voiceovers, you can get it. If not, you can still use what's inside Pictory if you find something that you really like. So I just wanted to cover the Speechelo with you as well. So that is an option. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.